Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Later on, we're all going to sing a song. It's gonna be fun. It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello little artists. Welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie and this is my show. Well, I'm in a very good mood today. Are you in a good mood? I hope so. I love art and art always puts me in a good mood. Should we do a drawing together today? I think we should. Okay, go and get some paper and something to draw with, like a pencil or a crayon or even a marker pen, and we'll draw together.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Happy day, Artie and friends!
Okay, I've got everything I need. I've got my art materials, and most importantly, I've got my imagination. Okay, are you ready to watch? You can draw along or just watch me. Here we go.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Did you know that your hair is the color of a carrot?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye!
Oh, I think we'll have a song in a few minutes. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay. Huh. Oh. Huh. Oh. Yeah. I love drawing so much. All this art is making me tired. I think we should stop for a minute and sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go!
Let's be kind to all the animals, big or small, they need our love. From the birds up in the sky to the little bugs passing by. Artie's kind to animals is the right thing to do. He shows them love and care, and so can me and you. Gentle hands and a loving heart, that's how we make a kind start. The puppy wags, the kitty purrs, the bunny hops, and the hamster stirs. Artie helps and takes good care of every creature everywhere. Artie's kind to animals is the right thing to do. He shows them love and care, and so can me and you. Gentle hands and a loving heart, that's how we make a kind start. Let's feed the birds and help them fly. Give the dogs a scratch and say hi. When we're kind, we're doing right. We make the world a place so bright. Artie's kind to animals is the right thing to do. He shows them love and care, and so can me and you. Gentle a kind start.
Wasn't that an awesome song? It was so much fun. Okay, fun's over. Well, singing fun at least. Now it's drawing fun. Let's carry on with the drawing.
Say, Artie, that's a really cool drawing from a really cool dude. Makes me want to sing. Oh, 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 oh. Oh.
I love art so much. I'm finished. Wow, it came out really, really good. Yeah. What should we do now? Oh, I know. Let's color it in.
It's coloring time!
I'm finished. Oh, wow. It looks so good now it's finished and it's got some color. I'm really pleased. Yeah.
See you next time. Carrot kisses and bunny wishes.
We hope you had fun watching Artie's show. We sure had fun doing it. Please come again. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have an Artie day. Bye.